Hey guys, Ken from Investing Made Easy here. Today we'll be taking another look at Bitcoin in September of 2019. Before we start, if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos. As we always begin with, let's have a brief overview of what Bitcoin is. I won't go into too much depth as I could spend all day talking about this topic, so I'll just cover the basics. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, and therefore is not owned or controlled by any single body, but fractured amongst many people. This allows transactions to be made peer-to-peer across borders with ease. Bitcoins are created by mining. Computers run algorithms to create hashes, which is what forms each Bitcoin's specific hash identity. There are only a finite amount of these hashes, which means Bitcoin is inherently limited, which is unlike a normal currency where money can just be created. Bitcoin also allows the concealment of your identity when making payments, as you are transferring Bitcoin through a wallet, which is not connected to your identity like a bank account would be. This has led Bitcoin to gain a reputation for use on the dark web for completing transactions where anonymity is very much needed. Let's take a look at the past performance of Bitcoin. I have taken the chart of Bitcoin from mid-2016 to the present day. This was the point where Bitcoin was beginning to gain momentum. Around Christmas of 2017, Bitcoin hit its all-time peak of $19,783. After which, Bitcoin shed about 83% of its value over the next year, burning many investors in the process. From all of the little peaks you can see, Bitcoin is extremely volatile, having day-to-day variations of multiple percentage points. However, recently we've seen a swing in the trend of Bitcoin. Since December, we have seen an almost 200% increase in the price of Bitcoin. If we zoom into the graph starting December 2018 until today, we can see that Bitcoin was slowly ramping up before plateauing again. I don't think this is a coincidence, so let's have a look at some other outside factors. If we take a look at gold over the same period, it appears to follow a very similar trajectory, slowly ramping up over the June-July period, and then plateauing after that. There must be something causing both of them to react in this way. As we know, recently there has been a trade war ensuing between both the US and China. This has created a lot of market instability, where the markets have been reacting to every mention of tariffs. Many investors have been moving their assets because of the trade war, and has so far caused some relatively large crashes in the market. It seems that recently, investors have begun to target gold and Bitcoin as safer investments during these turbulent times. Thus, we have seen large gains in both of them over the recent period. So, would I recommend purchasing Bitcoin at this time? First and foremost, Bitcoin still remains extremely volatile, and therefore comes with many risks with purchasing it. However, as we know, where the risks are great, the rewards are many. But it is always better to make an educated decision by weighing up the reasons why and why not Bitcoin could be successful in the future, such as government involvement or rival cryptocurrencies, just to name a few. At the moment, however, I would still pick Bitcoin over any other cryptocurrency due to its large stock cap and that it is well known in the public. But there is no guarantee of safety when investing in cryptocurrencies due to the high volatility. For me, Bitcoin has never been a sound investment, and still would not invest into it at this time. But even now, if the trends continue, we could see Bitcoin surpass its high in December of 2017. Well, thank you very much for sticking to the end of my video. As always, if the video helped, please leave a like as it helps my channel massively. Other than that, please leave a comment if you have anything you'd like to talk about, and feedback is always appreciated. This has been Ken from Investing Made Easy, and I'll see you.